Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Emily and George.
Today, we're practicing English through a real-life airport conversation.
If you travel internationally or plan to travel in the future, this lesson is perfect for you.
Listen carefully, learn useful travel vocabulary, and practice speaking English with us.
Let's begin.
It's nice to finally sit down. We arrived at the airport much earlier than I expected.
I agree. But honestly, I prefer arriving early rather than rushing at the last minute.
Me too. Airports can be unpredictable. Sometimes everything goes smoothly, and sometimes there are long lines everywhere.
Exactly. Security checks, baggage drop-offs, passport control, and finding the correct gate can take a lot of time.
How early do you usually arrive before a flight?
For domestic flights, I try to arrive at least 2 hours early. For international flights, I usually arrive 3 hours before departure.
That's very responsible.
I've learned from experience.
What happened?
A few years ago, I arrived late for a flight because I thought I had plenty of time.
And then?
There was unexpected traffic, long lines at security, and by the time I reached the gate, boarding had already finished.
Did you miss the flight?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh, that must have been stressful.
It definitely was. Since then, I've always arrived early.
That's a lesson you'll never forget.
Absolutely.
Even though airports can be stressful, I still get excited every time I travel.
So do I. There's something exciting about starting a journey.
I love seeing people from different countries.
And hearing different languages.
Exactly. Travel makes the world feel smaller somehow.
That's true. You realize how connected everyone is.
Do you enjoy flying?
Most of the time, yes.
Well, except during turbulence.
I understand that.
Turbulence always makes me nervous.
Even though I know it's normal, I still don't enjoy it.
Neither do I.
Fortunately, most flights are smooth.
That's true. What's the best country you've ever visited?
That's difficult because every place has something unique.
If you had to choose only one?
I would probably choose Italy.
Why Italy?
The food, the culture, the history, and the beautiful cities.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I would choose Japan.
Are you good at packing?
Not really.
Really?
I always pack too many things.
I'm the opposite.
You pack light?
Very light.
How do you do that?
I only bring things I know I'll use.
That's smart.
What do you usually pack that you don't need?
Extra clothes?
How many extra clothes?
Let's just say enough for a month-long vacation.
Even for a weekend trip?
Sometimes.
That's impressive.
Or embarrassing.
Maybe both.
Probably both.
Let's practice some useful airport words.
Great idea.
The first word is passport.
A passport is an official document used for international travel.
Next is boarding pass.
A boarding pass allows passengers to enter the airplane.
What about departure gate?
The departure gate is where passengers wait before boarding.
And baggage claim?
That's where travelers collect their luggage after landing.
Excellent.
These are very useful words for travelers.
If money were unlimited, where would you travel tomorrow?
That's easy.
Where?
I would travel around the world.
Around the entire world?
Yes,
That would take a long time.
exactly.
Which continent would you visit first?
Asia.
Why Asia?
Because there are so many different cultures and experiences.
Good choice. What about you? I think I would visit Europe first.
Any specific country?
Italy, France, and Switzerland.
Excellent choices.
Especially Switzerland.
The mountains?
Yes, and the beautiful scenery.
I've seen photos. It looks incredible.
Traveling is exciting, but sometimes things go wrong.
Definitely.
Have you ever lost your luggage?
Thankfully, no.
You're lucky.
Have you?
Once,
What happened?
my suitcase arrived one day later than I did.
That must have been frustrating.
Very frustrating.
Did you get it back?
Unfortunately, yes.
That's good.
I was worried for a while.
I can imagine. Why do you think people love traveling so much?
Because it allows us to experience something new.
I agree.
Travel helps people learn about different cultures, foods, traditions, and lifestyles.
It also creates unforgettable memories.
Exactly.
Some of my favorite memories come from trips I've taken.
Mine too.
Even years later, I still remember small details.
That's the magic of travel.
Before we finish, let's practice some useful airport expressions.
Great idea.
Where is the departure gate?
May I see your passport?
What time does boarding begin?
Where can I collect my luggage?
Is the seat available?
Could you help me find my gate?
Thank you very much.
Have a safe flight. Thank you for practicing English with us today.
We hope you learned useful airport vocabulary and travel expressions.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.